What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another banger. D.
Now let me ask you something.
Damn, dog, you did it again.
I'm smoking dope with some steppers, 2 pockets, a gangsta party. This Glock here up on my hip came with hollows to rock your body. Got 32 in this clip and one up top, shout out to Scotty. I've been a hot nigga before we got into it, Bobby. Tryna get rich like my son Rowdy, made some plays inside that Audi. I ain't full.
What up, Snide Nose Gang? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy D-Bonds back with another video. So look, as y'all been knowing, I've been doing my little 3D, you know, my little print thing. Shout out to the squad, shout out to the new members, shout out to the newcomers. We are going to be talking about these frames. These frames, yeah, they're kind of different. Now, I've been having a problem with this same lower for the longest, bro. It's a G17 with a 26 grip, 3 freaking times. Like, waste of filament. Because as you know, these things is very expensive. As you know, these joints is getting expensive filament, so you gotta really take your time with these. But yeah, I messed these up 3 times. Another piece like this, right? The plate, you know, this is where it all starts at, your base plate. And I'm pretty mad. I'm not pretty mad for real, but we still gonna use them. So in the meantime, here we are printing a G17 Gen 3, and we're gonna be hooking that up with a 22 LR. We'll show you that video next. Look, and it's done. But before we get to that, we got some frames over here we did, you feel me? So I made these frames within like the last 24 hours. Now I know usually it takes like some people say 16, 17 hours. Yeah, which it usually does, but some of these frames is actually like you know, just playing around. Y'all know how I am, you know what I'm saying? Just a curious mind, I just like playing around. Alright, y'all, you know, we got the upgrade AR lower. This joint nice, man. It's a beauty piece. I ain't gonna lie, it came out really good. No lines really, but it came out nice and thick. The settings, I know they said something about the settings or something like that. So you gotta know what you're doing with these things, man. You can't just be out here printing and just waste your filament. You have to adjust your bed, you do the Z, Y, and all that other crazy stuff. But yep, that's my baby right there. We're gonna be testing all these out. Maybe with 22 LRs, cause that's what I'm shooting for first to see how it go. So over here we got 2 26 lowers. Now these right here, however, it did come out nice. But now that I'm getting very familiar with it, oh yeah, it's gonna be a piece of cake now. So I'm just like, you know, it ain't nothing. So you can make this into a 26, 27, 33. Whichever one you choose, a 9mm 40, 357, 10mm, whatever. Same thing for here. And back here, we got the Gen 5 Glock 17. Now this frame, as y'all see, the back right here is kind of low. We're gonna take care of that. So we'll just have to add a little bit more filament and just line it up and things like that. So that was the first one I did. This was actually the first one I did. It wasn't bad. Now this is the one that I just did today. You feel me? Now this one looked better. If I would have showed y'all a comparison, y'all be like, yeah, that definitely makes a big difference. So I can't complain, man. I cannot complain. I'm very happy, and I'm doing what I love to do, man, legally. You feel me? So let me show y'all this thing right here. Now I'm gonna have to put a little filament on this bad boy. It's an easy fix. It's a real easy fix. Gotta melt this down because this baby look crazy. Like I said, versus these joints, Hold on, I got a couple of joints I messed up. This one right here too. Remember the Smith & Wesson M&B? Yeah, well, this is how this came out, but I'm getting smarter at this now. So when I start making these frames now, start making support for your frames. If it ain't coming out, if certain pieces, start making support. As far as everything else, I've been printing a lot of stuff, man. I mean, a lot of stuff non-stop. I want to show y'all something else that I did print. I printed this Glock 43X magazine. I also did this right here, the base plate. And you piece it, put your little thing up in here, you feel me? Let me cut it come on. Look at that. Like, first of all, who put the shit backwards? Who put it backwards? That's what I want to know. Who put that backwards? That is crazy to me. Magazine not supposed to be like that, my boy. And that's how this will look. I got a spring for it. I just gotta find it. It's in my bag somewhere. This is what I had 3D printed, and it looks pretty nice. This is a 19 round, I think. Yeah, no, 18 round. 18 rounds, yes, 18 rounds. So, yeah, I don't like it. You see that big gap right there? That gap is very, very, very big. I do not like that. I am not impressed with that. So I'll probably wind up making another one, man, and see what I could do with it. You feel me? Y'all know what I be doing is crazy. And we also got some slides. So we're gonna be doing a lot. We definitely gonna be doing a lot, trust me. So let me see. So if I decide to put this on here, well, this is a Gen 3, but so that means the Gen 3 can actually go. The Gen 3 could go on here. You know what I'm saying? So it's like the LS. That's hard. So yeah, man, I'm about to get all this cleaned up, and I'm about to get ready for the next video, man. Right now it's like what? It's 3:40 a.m. So and it's 7:28. So y'all gonna be getting this video on 7:29, which is the next day. So man, look, let me get back to what I'm doing, man. It's your boy D Bonds. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know what it is, man. Join the channel. Appreciate y'all for all the love. It's your boy D Bonds, and I'm out.